Welcome to Mindful Growth Studio, your daily step towards a better you. Today we invite you to experience a powerful abundance meditation designed to manifest your dreams and connect with your limitless potential. Let's begin. Take a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, free from distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. With each exhale, imagine releasing all the tension and anxiety you've been holding on to. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, let go of everything weighing you down. Again, breathe in deeply. And exhale all tension. One last time, inhale fully. And exhale completely, feeling your body grow lighter and calmer. Allow the soothing music to guide you into a deep state of relaxation. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a peaceful state. Imagine all the tension melting away, starting from your scalp, down to your shoulders, arms and hands, all the way to your toes. You are now fully relaxed, safe, and at ease. You become aware of a beautiful golden light surrounding you, a divine, creative and positive energy. This golden light enters through the crown of your head, filling every part of your body. It moves down your neck, shoulders, and spine, through your chest, arms, and fingertips. It flows into your pelvis, legs, and feet, all the way to your toes, infusing you with warmth and light. This powerful golden light eradicates any limiting beliefs you've held onto, doubts, fears, or the idea that you are not enough. These thoughts dissolve completely, liberating you, leaving you free to embrace your full potential. You radiate abundance, fully aware of the creative power you hold. Take a few breaths here, embracing this powerful feeling. Now, use your imagination to create the life of your dreams. Picture the home you've always wanted, filled with everything that brings you joy. Visualize loving and nourishing relationships, a career that inspires you, and a life of financial freedom where you have everything you need and more. See yourself pursuing passions, traveling, and enjoying vibrant health. Feel the joy and gratitude of living this abundant life. Take a moment to actually feel grateful for all these things, with a slight smile on your face. As your golden light expands outward, it fills the universe with your powerful creative force. Your dreams are set in motion, and you trust that they are coming to you in perfect timing. Take a few breaths, embracing this feeling of joy and abundance. As you prepare to return, take a moment to feel deep gratitude for this experience. When I count down from 5, you'll return to the room fully present and grounded. 5. Deepen in your breath. 4. Becoming aware of your body. 3. Feeling your presence in the room. 2. Connecting with your surroundings. 1. Open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for sharing this moment with us at Mindful Growth Studio. We'd love to hear about your visualization in the comments below. What did you see? And how did it feel? Your journey and empowerment inspire others.